In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Zoom account with your Go High Level account to get all the leads, all the webinar attendees, all the details inside your CRM. Hi, so if you are running your webinar to get the customers in your course, and if you are running any webinar or anything in Zoom and you want to get the data inside your Go High Level CRM, then in this video I will show you how you can get that. Alright, so you need one software called Make to create the automation so you can get the data from your Zoom account to the Go High Level CRM. Alright, so I will show you how to create that in this video from scratch. Okay, so let's go. So inside Make account, you need to create one account inside this software called Make, and once you create that, you need to go to scenarios and you need to create the scenario by tapping on this button. Just tap on create scenario and it will open the scenario editor. So here you need to add the Zoom module. So just search the Zoom module. This software has all the integrations and all these things. So just tap on show more. You need to select this list meeting registrants. Just tap on this and you need to connect your Zoom account here. Just tap on add account. My Zoom account is already connected, so I will not do it again. Just tap on add account, add your Zoom account credentials, like it will add one pop-up and you need to log in your Zoom account there. Okay, so once you log in your Zoom account, it will be added. So once you add the Zoom account, you need to create the meeting in your Zoom account and you need to put the meeting ID here. Okay, so where you can get the meeting ID, you need to log in your Zoom account and you need to get the meeting ID from this meetings option. Like if I create one meeting here, demo meeting, so you will get the meeting ID after you save the meeting. So once you save the meeting, you will get the meeting ID from here. You can see this is the meeting ID. Okay, so I will copy this. Alright, I made it as a registration record and I will save it right now. Perfect. Now this is the registration link and it will be like a registration based webinar. Okay, so once you create the meeting ID, you need to copy and paste the meeting ID here. So just copy the meeting ID and you need to paste it here. Once you paste it, you need to make it as approved and make it saved. So once you save it, now you need to add the Go High Level module here. So once anyone registers for the webinar, you will get the data inside Zoom. Okay, so once you get the data inside your Zoom account, you can send this data to Go High Level to search for the data, like if the data already there inside your Go High Level account. So you need to add the search contacts module. Once you add the search contacts module, you need to add your Go High Level account here. Just log in your Go High Level account, tap on add, log in your account and it will be added. Once you add it, you need to query it. So you need to query it as per the phone number or email ID. So I will recommend to search for phone number, because phone number, sometimes the person has only one or two phone number but they can register with multiple emails and all of these things. So I will just tap on phone and you can make it the limit as 10 and save it. So once you search for the phone number, like anyone registers for the webinar inside Zoom and you need to search the data inside your Go High Level account. So you search the data and now you need to check if the data is there or not inside Go High Level. So how you can do that? You need to add one router. So here you need to add the filter, like if the contact is found here, then it should go to this flow. If the contact does not found here, then it should go to this flow. Okay, so you need to filter it here. Just tap on this, label it contact found. Condition is if the phone number exists, then go to this flow. If the phone number exists in Go High Level, that means the contact is already there in Go High Level and it should update the contact if anything needs. So I will add the update contact module here. I need to add Go High Level first, then I will update the contact if that is already there in Go High Level. So you need to just add the contact ID from here and if the contact is already there, you will find the contact ID in the search contact modules Then you need to just add the first name, last name, all these things you need to update from the search contact module. Just add it like this. Once you added all these things, so whatever tag you have created, you need to add these tags. Now you need to add one tag there, like whatever tag you have created inside your Go High Level account, you need to add it from here. So you need to just add one tag inside Go High Level. Once you added that, you can select the tag from here. So it can be like registrations 25 September registration 2025. That's how you can add one tag and just select that from here. Once you select it, like whatever registrants will come from Zoom to Go High Level, they will be tagged with that tag. Okay, so it's very important to tag them so that you can find inside Go High Level whatever registrants you have for that webinar. Okay, just select the tag. You can update the address if you have, but if you don't have, just leave it as it is and save it. Perfect. You can update the contact. So this module is needed just to update the tag, and it's very important. Okay, so now if the contact is not found, then it will go to this way. So I will make it as a fallback way. Okay, so set the route as fallback. A fallback route is a backup route that is used if the source data did not go through any other route. Okay, one router can have only one fallback route. Perfect. If you don't want to do it, that's fine. Then you can do it like contact not found, and you can make it as phone number does not exist. If does not exist, that means the contact is not there in Go High Level already. We need to create the contact by getting the details from Zoom. So I will just make it Go High Level and create a contact, and now I need to map it with the data that I have in Zoom. So I need to add the email, phone number. It's very important, you need to map it with the Zoom account because you don't have the data inside the search contact module. Just add the first name, last name, and you need to select the tag that you have inside Go High Level for the particular webinar. Okay, just select the tag and you can save it. Perfect. Now it's ready to go. Okay, but before that you need to add the break modules or the ignore modules. Like if any error occurs in these modules, then it should run the scenario after the error as well. So you need to add the error handler. Okay, so just right click on the module and tap on error handler, add error handler, and add the ignore button. Same here as well, just right click, add error handler, and add the ignore module. So if any error occurs, it will run the scenario, it will not stop it. So you can open make.com and you can check if there is any error, and if there is any error, you can get that solved. But if you don't have this ignore modules, it will immediately stop this scenario and you will get notifications in your email. You can add, you can don't add as well, but I would recommend to add one email or ignore module so that you can get the notification in your email that if any error occurs, or you can add any other module as well. Like if any fallback happens, if any error happens in these modules, you can get one email as well if you add the email module. Okay, so that's how you need to create it. So I will just rename it as Zoom to GHL flow. Perfect. Once you have added all these things, just save it. Okay, so once you save it, it will be saved, and you can make it as not regular interval. Like if you make it as regular interval, then it will run every 15 minutes and it will suck your all the credits of make account. Okay, just don't do it. And if you want to do it as every day, you can do it. I would recommend to make it as on demand, like whenever you need, you can just open the scenario and you can run it, and it will add all the data from Zoom to Go High Level, whatever registrants you have inside that webinar particularly. Alright, so that's how you can integrate it, and that's how you can save it. Once you saved, you can just tap on activate scenario and it will be activated. Okay, So that's how we can activate one scenario to get the data from Zoom account to your Go High Level account. If you are running any webinar, anything like that, to get the customer for your course, for your community, it will be very helpful to create the automation to get the data from your Zoom account to your CRM as Go High Level. So that's all about the video. If you want to create any automations, anything like that, any codes or any web page, sales page, websites, you can contact us using the email shared below in the description. And if you need help any creating any automation, you have any questions, you can comment down below. I would like to answer all those questions. Okay, so if you like this video, just like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.